Hello and welcome back to Monday's Challenge Assembly. It's a new half term, so I hope that everyone got to have a lovely half-term break. It's only 5 weeks into Easter, and we have lots to do during that time. But let's get this week started off by a song. As always, I love hearing all of you sing. Now, you want to know what the challenge is. If you remember, before half term, we learned the alphabet in British Sign Language. And this is going to come in handy because this week you need to learn how to sign your name. So we're going to look at the letters of the alphabet again with Miss Hume. And I want you to find the letters to your name so that you can sign your name. So that's your challenge this week. Try to figure out the letters that spell your name and practice that. Share that with your teacher. Share that with me on Twitter, on Tapestry, on Teams, however you want to do that. But practice spelling your name in British Sign Language. You got it? Good. Now, here is Miss Hume reminding us how to do all the letters of the alphabet.
Hi everyone, we're going to do our BSL alphabet. So we are going to start with A. Index finger to your thumb. A. B. Both our hands like this, together. B. C. And make a C with our hand in the same shape as a C. D. Make a D shape facing you. D. E. Our index finger to our other index finger. E. F. 2 fingers. Your dominant hand on top. F. G. 2 fists, your dominant hand on the top. G. H, your dominant hand sliding across your top. H. I, index finger to your middle finger, I. J, we make a lovely J shape from our middle finger all the way down to our thumb, J. K, bit of a curl on our index finger, K. You see the shape of the K there, K. L, just our one finger on the palm of our hand, L. M, three fingers, like the letter M on the palm of our hand, M. N, the same but with two, N. O, our index finger to our ring finger, O. P, we make a P shape with our hands, P. Q, hook our index finger just in there, Q, Q. R, we make an R sound with our index finger shape on our palm of our hand, R. S, both our little fingers and hook it on, S. T, our index finger along the bottom of our hand, T. U is our last finger, U. V, two fingers, make sure they're open like a V shape, not an N, a V. W, X, Y, the Y shape on our hands, Y, and Z. Well done everybody, keep practicing.
All right, people, I can't wait to see all of you sign your names and learn how to do that. I am really proud of all of you. Like I said, we have 5 weeks before Easter, but there's lots happening in that 5 weeks. So let's get going. Have a good week.